Hey y'all, Gigi here, and today I'm doing a review on the Edtiske dual band Wi-Fi extender. So Wi-Fi extenders or boosters are great for expanding your router's Wi-Fi coverage. So I purchased this one because my office is about 30 feet away from the Wi-Fi or from the modem, and I'm having a hard time keeping the connection with the internet, or either my downloads are very slow or some of the websites are just going really slow as well. Here is the Wi-Fi extender. It has these little arms on them. I'm guessing that they are the antennas. Not quite sure. It also comes with a quick start installation guide, which I'm sure is going to be extremely helpful. The quick guide shows you all the information that you need to get started with this Wi-Fi extender. It gives you different working mode diagrams depending on how you are doing your connection. This quick start guide is very detailed, and it has pictures for each and every step of the way on your cell phone. Now it's time to plug it up and set it up. I hope you found this box opening helpful. If so, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and look for the next one where I show you how I set it up and how it's actually working. Until next time.